Your blood sugar used to behave until it didn't. Same meals, same routine. But now, sudden crashes, restless nights, numbers creeping higher no matter what you do. If you're over 50, this isn't just bad luck. It's your body screaming for help. Ignoring it, that could lead to much bigger problems. But here's the surprising part. Some of the most powerful fixes aren't found in a pill. They're right in your kitchen. Hi, I'm Dr. Marcus Holliday. In this video, you'll discover 7 specific fruits that are scientifically proven to lower blood sugar fast, especially if you're over 50 and want to regain control naturally. Don't ignore the signs. Let's fix this, one bite at a time. Let's start with blueberries, often called one of nature's most powerful berries. Not only are they low on the glycemic index, but they're also loaded with anthocyanins, natural plant compounds that give them their deep blue color and have incredible anti-diabetic effects. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, anthocyanin-rich blueberries improve insulin sensitivity in obese, insulin-resistant men and women. Next up is the grapefruit. And no, we're not talking about a crash diet. Just half a grapefruit before a meal can significantly lower post-meal blood glucose levels. As reported in a study from the Journal of Medicinal Food, fresh grapefruit significantly reduced 2-hour post-glucose insulin levels compared with placebo and apple juice. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find superfoods. They're simple, everyday fruits that can have a big impact when you make them a regular part of your diet. You don't need to make dramatic changes overnight, but adding the right fruits at the right times can absolutely tilt the scale in your favor. Let's keep going, because there's one fruit in particular that's not only delicious, but works like nature's blood sugar stabilizer. That fruit is the avocado. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't avocado a vegetable? Technically, it's a fruit, and one that's incredibly powerful for people over 50 managing blood sugar. What makes avocados so unique is that they're low in carbohydrates but high in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which slow down digestion and help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. According to a study published in the Nutrition Journal, meals that included half an avocado resulted in significantly lower desire to eat and increased satisfaction, which may be beneficial for glycemic control. Another fruit that's often underestimated is the apple. You've probably heard the old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." And when it comes to blood sugar, there's truth to that. Apples contain a specific type of soluble fiber called pectin, which slows down glucose absorption in your bloodstream. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that may protect your pancreatic cells. Based on a paper released by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consumption of apples and pears was associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget kiwis. These fuzzy green gems are often overlooked, but they're packed with vitamin C, fiber, and a unique enzyme called actinidin that can support digestion and blood sugar balance. What makes kiwi especially helpful is its ability to reduce oxidative stress, which plays a big role in insulin resistance. According to a study published in Food Chemistry, kiwi fruit supplementation significantly reduced HbA1c and fasting blood glucose in patients with type 2 diabetes. So far, these fruits aren't just tasty, they're doing serious work behind the scenes. They help your body respond better to insulin, slow down the absorption of sugars, and keep you fuller for longer, all of which are crucial for managing your blood sugar as you age. But we're not done yet. Some of the most effective and delicious blood sugar balancing fruits are still ahead, and one of them might surprise you. One of the most surprising, yet incredibly effective fruits for lowering blood sugar is the cherry, specifically Tart cherries. These small, vibrant fruits, especially the tart varieties, contain powerful antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which not only give them their deep red color, but also play a critical role in improving insulin resistance and reducing inflammation, which makes them a true powerhouse. As reported in the journal Current Developments in Nutrition, tart cherry supplementation was associated with improved glycemic control and reduced HbA1c in adults with type 2 diabetes. And finally, let's talk about pears. Yes, the humble, juicy pear that's often overlooked in favor of flashier fruits. Pears have a low glycemic index and are exceptionally rich in fiber, a significant amount of which is found in the skin, so don't peel it. This fiber helps slow down sugar absorption in your digestive tract. Plus, they contain flavonoids that support insulin sensitivity. According to a study from Food and Function, pear intake was inversely associated with risk of type 2 diabetes and positively associated with better glycemic control. Now, when you look at this list, blueberries, grapefruit, avocado, apple, kiwi, cherries, and pears, you're not just looking at a simple fruit salad. You're looking at a scientifically backed natural toolkit for reclaiming your health. This is your prescription for better blood sugar control direct from nature's pharmacy. And what's powerful about this approach is that it's simple. These are affordable, easy-to-find foods that can be part of your daily routine. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet in one day. Start by adding one of these fruits into your breakfast, or swapping out dessert for a bowl of fresh cherries or sliced kiwi. Small, deliberate choices, when repeated consistently, compound over time. They lead to the big changes you're looking for: more sustained energy, an end to those frustrating sugar crashes, and a foundation for better long-term health. So, if you're over 50 and determined to take control of your blood sugar naturally, let these fruits be your allies. Your body will thank you. If you've tried any of these fruits or have your own tips for managing blood sugar, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy, science-backed tips to help you feel your best at any age. Wishing you strength, vitality, and steady blood sugar, one bite at a time.